Hello guys, Emmanuel from Geekception here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impressions of the Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro 5G. Whew. Let's begin. And welcome back guys. In case you are new here, my name is Emmanuel. Hope you enjoyed here. And you're returning back, well, have a seat. Hope you've been taking care of yourself. Without further ado, let's get into the unboxing. On the front of the box is 10T right smack in the middle. At the bottom of the box are all the specifications of the phone right here. And on unboxing the phone right here, I find a compartment which I shall be putting to the side for a bit. And right there and then I see the phone, which again I shall be putting to the side. Now underneath the phone is a power brick, which is actually a 30-watt power brick, as well as a USB Type-C cable. And coming back to the first box, which contains a SIM tray removal tool, a warranty, and the user guide. And there's also a transparent TPU case, as well as a 3.5mm audio jack to USB Type-C headphone adapter. And taking a look at the phone, some quick specs include a Snapdragon 865 processor, a big 5000 mAh battery, 144 Hz display, and a 108 megapixel camera. Taking a tour of the device, and on the front of the phone is the display, which is a 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display with the camera at the top left. On the bottom of the device is the speaker, microphone, USB Type-C port, and a SIM tray. On the left side, there is nothing there. Moving on to the right side of the device, and there's a volume buttons and a power button that doubles as a fingerprint scanner. On the top of the device is a microphone and what I think is an IR blaster. On the back of the device is a massive 108 megapixel camera, along with some other cameras there as well. Now, as regards to first impressions, I would say that the first thing I felt when I held this phone is that it's a very, very solid device. But another thing I also immediately noticed is the fact that it attracts a lot of fingerprints. Turning the phone on for the first time, and something I'm again noticing here is just how fast the phone takes to launch. And on launch, I noticed that it has MIUI 12 pre-installed on the Mi 10T Pro. Speaking of things I'm noticing, I am on a roll, is the fact that the vibration motto on the Mi 10T Pro here is fantastic. Like, even though I've not even gotten into the interface yet, I can tell that it's such a high quality vibration motto. Like I said, the power button here doubles as a fingerprint scanner, so you actually register your fingerprint as you set up security on the phone. And just like that, voila, this setup is done, monsieur. Why am I using a French accent? I have no idea. Anyways, as I get into the interface on this phone right here, and the first thing I am blown away by is just how smooth the interface is. Now I, do what any sensible person is going to do, and I go into the settings and I see that truly it is set at 144 Hz. And yes, I always think these things are marketing, they just put it there so that they can say I have the biggest thing. But actually, it makes a lot of difference, and it is very practical, and I can see how smooth it is. And believe me, whatever you're seeing on screen right now does not, give it justice at all. Like, it is super smooth. Interface wise, it runs MIUI 12 as I have mentioned, but here on top of Android 10. The display size is at 6.67 inches, which is full HD plus, so you're not getting, any 2K or 4K displays here. But I think a full HD or 1080p plus display, is good enough here, and I think I'm going to enjoy watching a lot of content here on the Mi 10T Pro. A downside of having a 108 megapixel camera here, which is crazy because this camera sensor is huge, is the fact that it actually, rattles on the table right here because it is not balanced. Anyways, I look forward to taking a lot of photos with this phone and showing you guys what are some of the photos I've taken. With a 5000 mAh battery, I am definitely sure that this phone is going to perform wonderfully well when it comes to battery life, but I will also still let you know how it does perform. And lastly, let's not forget the fact that this is a 5G phone. I mean, Xiaomi is not going to let you forget that. They put it right there, Pro 5G, on the front of the box and at the side of the phone and everywhere you can imagine. Because this is a 5G phone, but I cannot test that for you because here in Malaysia, I don't even know where 5G is. I'm not even sure if 5G is like, probably it is here, but it's not where I am, and it's going to take a few years. So yeah, I've been speaking a lot about 5G, but yeah, I cannot test that for you. So hopefully you can check out some other creators who can test out 5G on the Mi 10T Pro. And that is pretty much it for my first impressions and unboxing and first impressions rather of the Mi 10T Pro right here. Bringing back something that I've not done in a long time. I'll be doing a 5-day review of this, which is me shooting every day after using this phone every single day and, you know, telling you what I have noticed. So in case you don't want to miss that, you should probably hit that subscribe button or at least consider it. Leave a like on this video if you liked it. If you did not like the video, leave a dislike because that is also allowed. That is normal. And hopefully you're taking care of yourself, especially in this pandemic time. And I shall catch you. Oh, and yes, a huge shout out to the folks over at Arif Communications for sending this over. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. And I shall catch you in the next one. Don't forget to be awesome. Bye.